video, we will work on the trigonometric chart. And we're going to derive this all from special right triangles. And here I have a 30, 60, 90, and I have a 45, 45, 90. So in here, all the ratios. Here I have 30 degrees. The short leg right there is x. The longer leg is x square root of 3. And then here's the hypotenuse to x. And the 45, 45, 90, I have those two legs are congruent, so x. And then the hypotenuse right there is x square root of 2. So everything that we're going to do for this trig chart will come from these ratios right here. So this is your chart, and that's how you're going to start out, 30, 45, 60, and then sine, cosine, and tangent. So for us to find sine of 30, we need to understand that first, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So here I have 30 degrees right there. Opposite is this guy. Hypotenuse is this guy. And that's what we're going to have right there on the 30 degrees. So opposite of 30 is x. Hypotenuse is 2x. And that's what we have there. Since we're talking about 30, might as well just do cosine. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent to 30, we have right there x square root of 3 over hypotenuse 2x. So and that's how we're going to write out the ratio of x square root of 3 over 2x. X square root of 3 over 2x. And then tangent of 30. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. So I still have 30 right there. So opposite is x. Adjacent is x square root of 3. So opposite is x. Adjacent x square root of 3. Okay, we're going to move on to the 45 degrees. So here's my special, very special right triangle. Okay, so we're still doing sine of 45. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. 45, opposite hypotenuse. So x over x square root of 2. But cosine of 45 is adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent over hypotenuse. It is the same as sine. Yes, of course it is, because these two are congruent. Therefore, if I'm talking about opposite over hypotenuse and adjacent over hypotenuse, the ratios will be the same. And lastly, I have tangent of 45, which is opposite over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent. Oh, that's easy. So x over x. Ta-da. And our final column right there, we have sine, cosine, and tangent of 60. So we're going to focus on that 60 right there. So sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite over hypotenuse. So x squared root of 3 over 2x. So x square root of 3 over 2x right there. Now, cosine of 60 calls for adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent over hypotenuse. I have right here x over 2x. Adjacent over hypotenuse. And then finally, tangent of 60 is opposite over adjacent. So opposite is x square root of 3 over x square root of 3 over x. So in the next video, we will simplify all of these ratios and finally come up with a trig chart.